Welcome to episode 23 of Speak Japanese in 5 Minutes. Last time we learned how to move, and today we are putting those verbs to work. We are heading to the train station.
Leo-san, are you ready? I hear you are planning a trip this weekend.
I am, but places like Shinjuku Station feel like a total maze. That's why I need your help, Sensei.
Of course, train stations in Japan are amazing, but can be very big. The word for station is eki, and train is densha. Using the verb we learned for to go, ikimasu, we can say, I go to the station. The sentence is, eki ni ikimasu. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Station is eki. Train is densha. And the full sentence, I go to the station. Eki ni ikimasu.
Okay, first obstacle, I need to buy a ticket, or maybe use one of those IC cards, and find the ticket gate.
Yes, IC cards like Suica or Pasmo are very convenient, but knowing how to buy a ticket is still a very useful skill. In Japanese, ticket is kipu. The ticket gate is kaisatsu. To say you buy a ticket, we use our verb kaimasu, which means to buy. The sentence is kipu wo kaimasu. The particle wo, written as wo, marks the object of the verb. So you are buying a ticket. Let's practice these. First, ticket. Kippu. Ticket gate. Kaisatsu. And now, I buy a ticket. Kippu wo kaimasu.
Once I'm through the gate, I need to find my platform. How do I ask, where is the train? Or more importantly, where is the platform?
A very important question. Platform is noriba. To ask where something is, the magic phrase is doko desu ka? It means, where is it? To ask, where is the platform? We combine them. The platform is our topic, so we mark it with the particle wa. It becomes, noriba wa doko desu ka? You will also often see signs like ichiban noriba, which means platform number 1. Let's try these. First, platform. Noriba. Now the full question. Where is the platform? Noriba wa doko desu ka?
Perfect. Now the train arrives. How do I say, I get on the train?
For this, we use a new verb for boarding, norimasu. It means to ride or get on. This verb pairs with the particle ni. So to say, I ride the train, you would say, denshiya ni norimasu. The opposite to get off is orimasu. But for today, let's focus on getting on. Let's practice. First, the verb to ride. Norimasu. Now the full phrase, I ride the train. Densha ni norimasu. Excellent. Now, are you ready for a quick drill? I will say the word or phrase, and you repeat it in the pause. We will do this 3 times. Round 1. Eki. Densha. Kippu. Kaisatsu. Noriba wa doko desu ka? Round 2. Let's pause. We are trying to say the words a little faster and more naturally. Eki. Densha. Kippu. Kaisatsu. Noriba wa doko desu ka? Final round. Are you ready? Eki. Densha. Kippu. Kaisatsu. Noriba wa doko desu ka?
I feel much safer taking the train now. No more getting lost in Shinjuku. Next time on episode 24, we're quenching our thirst. We'll look at Japan's famous vending machines and drinks. We'll learn how to choose between hot and cold options with just one button.
皆さん、またね。